What's up, boys? We took 3 trades today on NQ. $715, 2 wins, 1 break even. Closing in on this payout, so let's just get into it. Starting out at the 4-hour time frame. We were rejecting this 4-hour bullish fair value gap, right? But we were also rejecting this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So the way I decided on, what I'm gonna, I guess, like which way my bias would be, is I saw that we swept out sell side liquidity here. We still have liquidity to go to the downside, but I'm at least expecting a retracement, right? So then I went on my 15-minute time frame. I marked out my 15-minute unfilled gaps, right? So this one, this one, this one, this one to the upside. And yeah, so that's kind of my bias. My bias was buys going into market open. And as you can see, this V-shaped recovery confirmed my bias. We have a lot of low resistance draws right here. I mean, this entire thing is low resistance liquidity, right? Followed by unfilled gaps just resting above here, right? So let's just get into it. Market opens and we have a beautiful fair value gap that presents itself here, right? At 835. We've already established that we have a, let's see, the range was like, 150 points, right? We had a 150 point range in the first 5 minutes, so it's a very high probable day. And yeah, so for this trade, we tapped back into this fair value gap, didn't even close inside didn't even close inside the fair value gap, right? And we immediately got a displacement candle up through this last candle high and technically through the swing high because that was the swing high. We entered there, went for a 1-to-1, could have targeted a 1-to-2, but it's all good. We're just trying to get paid. So 1-to-1, that one smacked. We were up like $480 from that. That trade lasted $490. That trade lasted 26 seconds, right? And let's go to the other one, the other two. This trade right here, kind of the same thing. We had already taken out this unfilled 15, but we had another unfilled 15 really, really close, so I was comfortable taking this as well as an intermediate high right here. So we kind of had a little bit of chop here, but once I saw this displacement candle, I just knew that this would be like a retrace, right? So we retraced back, tapped back into this gap here, and we got an IFVG, which is really good confluence for this model. We come up, we enter right here, we go break even at 10 points. This ran to our TP, but this wasn't actually a trade that we won, right? Yeah, we didn't actually win this trade. We got break even, but this very well could have been a 3-win day. But I'm cool with $715. Like, that's my biggest day on the XFA. So yeah, this one got break even. And then the last one here, sort of the same thing. Obviously, it's just kind of my model. We tapped into this 30-second gap. Had huge displacement through the swing high and this the previous high. We entered right here. We almost got stopped out. I actually went half risk on this trade just because I wanted to secure a winning day. So at this point, we had already secured a winning day, just trying to add on to it. And yeah, we ended up going break even here. We came down, bro. We almost got stopped at break even. We were that close to getting stopped at break even. This was my exact entry. It's kind of crazy, but we ended up hitting TP, hitting this unfilled 15, and then we started reversing down, which is what I was expecting. So yeah, it was actually a really, really, really solid day. If we have another like $500 day, we'll be able to request $800 tomorrow, as you guys can see. So really, really hyped about that. Once I get my payout, I'm going to buy 2 more evaluations and then get those funded, and then we'll be copy trading 3 accounts. So it's pretty exciting. We're finally getting our trading rolling. This last trade was a $250 trade that we took, 2-minute duration, so really, really quick. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. We're really starting to become profitable. This has been a really good month except for this Asia session trade. whatever. It doesn't really matter. Haven't lost an AM this month, including on the eval. So like all this was green on the eval too. So it's kind of crazy. But yeah, I mean that's basically it for this video. I'm gonna try to get this payout tomorrow, but if we don't get any trades, then I'm not gonna take anything. Not gonna force it. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.